is going on, everybody? It's Sunday. It's late as hell, so I'm going to get this out for you, but I want to make sure that you guys know some of the key levels this week. I'm looking at the SPY only. SPX is my big trader. I don't like any of the earnings plays this week just yet so far, so earnings haven't been doing too well. All the implied moves are a lot higher than, I would like to be able to play, so some of them I've taken. I've gotten hit on one of them, and then a couple other ones didn't make too much money, so I'm going to stay away from earnings this week, but I do love the SPY this week. I think there's a ton of action going to happen with CPI coming out on Thursday. If there's blood, not saying there's going to be, but below this 375, we could see that 370 test again really fast. And if we break below that 370, we have a long ways down. I would say about this 365 would be a great test. So below 370, 365 could be a super easy play. Could make a ton of money day trading off of that move. But a bounce at 375 and then a test of 380, we could rip up to this 384-ish mark. So a $4 move on the upside too. SPY, SPX, that could be massive. And then if we want to do some analysis really quickly on the QQQ, it's a very similar setup. Let me get rid of these lines for you. It's a little harder to see because I did that. But there was a nice bounce here at this low at this 259 level on Friday, and we jumped right back up. A lot of buyers came out of nowhere. I was surprised by it. I actually got stopped out of a couple trades at the end of the day. Still a profitable day, but I gave back some. Didn't really know where that was coming from. So that could signify that some buyers are there, because when I look at the SPX, or SPY, sorry. Let's look at the SPY if I want to look at the weekly chart. And I'll delete all this stuff because that's a lot of drawings because I spend too much time doing this, I feel like. But there is a nice little uptrend that it was just testing, and it bounced at that 370. So this could potentially be a bullish pattern, and then we could rip up to that 390, maybe even tap that 400 again. But below that 370, there is a lot of room to the downside. So I would love to see that breakdown personally, but there could still be some buyers down here because Friday action was pretty weird. So 375, nice support line right now, right around that level pre-market or futures market right now. So pay attention to that tomorrow, and early in the week we could chop until CPI. But below 370, there will be blood, and above 380, we could see that 385. So there's going to be a nice moves in the SPY or SPX. So those trades could make a good amount of money. So just pay attention.